In this video, we're going to review how to get into the scorpion reach position. We're going to start by getting onto our hands and our knees. Now for here, I'm actually going to place the hands slightly in front of me. This is going to give some runway for when we start moving. I'm going to press into the ground, hover my knees off. I'm going to start by driving one knee in, extending through the back leg, pushing through the ground. Once I reach the top, I'm going to bend the knee and turn the hip out, but still maintain pressure through the hands. I should feel this in the upper glute and the hamstring of the opposite leg. I can come back in and settle into this wide bear position, or I could finish up here into that tall plank position. You can reset into this loaded bear, or you can dive up, extend through, turn and reach, come back in, sit at the top, or sit back into this resting position to come back down. A lot of different ways to get in and out of this position. The key points are that when you're at that top position, very similar to how you would get into a downward dog, try not to press the heels down. You actually want to press through the toes to get the heels up and push through the front. This will allow you to balance on that opposite toe. Give it a try. Let us know how it goes.